Hi, welcome to another video. So, Warp just dropped Warp Code, and it's already outperforming Claude Code on every major benchmark. Faster, higher scoring, and built to take you from prompt to production. In a previous video, we took an initial look at Warp as an AI-powered terminal, but today, they are releasing a full-fledged code editor that is the last missing piece in their agentic development environment. Warp is a complete agentic development environment, combining a terminal, code editor, and agent dashboard into a unified workspace. The core idea is to wrap the terminal itself with powerful AI capabilities, rather than building an agent inside a heavy code editor that ultimately just calls the shell anyway. This makes it incredibly fast and light on system resources. Since my last review, I've had more time to dig into Warp, and the team has launched a major update that really solidifies its position in the landscape of AI coders, used by over 600,000 developers worldwide. And when I say position, I mean its position at the very top. According to independent benchmarks, Warp is the #1 performing coding agent on Terminal Bench, and it recently moved to the top 3 on the rigorous swe-bench, verified with an impressive 75.8%, showcasing its effectiveness on real-world software engineering problems. Today, I want to do a deep dive into the new features that make this performance possible and demonstrate why Warp's unique approach provides a superior user experience for developers. We'll look at how it creates a unified workbench for coding, AI, and CLI tools, and how it stacks up against other tools you might be using. Warp is free to try, and if you want to get Warp Pro at 70% off the first month, use Claude Code King at checkout. The first thing you'll notice in the new version is a much stronger, project-centric workflow. When you open a new tab, you're greeted with a list of recent projects, allowing you to jump right in. Let's start with a new repository I've just cloned to see the onboarding experience. Immediately, a banner prompts me to optimize Warp for this codebase. This is the entry point to Warp's powerful context gathering system. Clicking this initiates 2 key actions. First, it begins a real-time indexing of your entire codebase. This happens locally and securely. Your code never leaves your machine, and it gives the agent a comprehensive understanding of your project's structure. Unlike some tools that only look at open files, Warp has full project context awareness. Simultaneously, it offers to generate a WARP.md file. This is a markdown file that functions as a dynamic, project-specific set of rules and documentation for the agent. It automatically analyzes your repo and outlines the tech stack, core components, common development commands, and coding conventions. This is a major advantage over tools that rely on global, non-specific rules. For example, unlike Claude Code, which has a more rigid context system, Warp builds its understanding from the ground up for each project, leading to far more accurate solutions. Once the WARP.md file is generated, one of Warp's standout features comes into play: the dedicated code review panel. A small chip appears in your prompt area, showing the file changes. Clicking it opens a side-by-side diff view directly in your environment. This is unique to Warp and is a huge part of its superior UX. You're not just looking at a text block, you're in an interactive review environment. Let's say, can you also update this to mention that these commands work in ZSH? The agent understands and updates the diff in place without starting over. This ability to reprompt on individual changes makes iterating with the agent incredibly fast and intuitive. Once I'm satisfied, I just click Apply Changes. This principle of a unified workbench extends to file editing. With the new Command+O shortcut, you can open a file searcher scoped to your project and open any file in a new tab within Warp. It's a complete editor with syntax highlighting, allowing you to make quick manual tweaks without the context switch of opening a full IDE. This is a key difference from purely prompt-based CLI apps like Claude Code, where making manual edits is a much clunkier process. Now, let's put this all together with a real coding task. Not a toy example, but a common developer workflow. My task is to make me a script that allows me to convert images from any format to any format. The agent immediately gets to work, presenting its plan in a clear, step-by-step task list. While it's working, I can see its status at the top, and if I had another task, I could easily spawn a second agent in another tab and manage both from the multi-agent UI. As the agent makes its changes, the diff review panel pops up. I can see the modifications. The logic for handling all file types looks good, but I think that it could be more robust. So, I'll reprompt it. Add option that allows for converting multiple files at once. The agent refines its changes, and I can even edit the diffs inline myself if I spot a minor typo. This human-in-the-loop checkpoint is seamless. Once I apply the changes, I can immediately run the script in the terminal pane to test it. This entire cycle, building, testing, and even deployment, can happen within Warp. This is what makes it a tool for production, not just a prototype builder. Unlike Cursor, which are essentially code editors with AI features bolted on, Warp operates at a more fundamental level, integrating with the shell itself. This architecture is also what makes Warp's agent so capable. It's not locked into a single model. Warp intelligently uses a mix of the best models from all providers for any given task, and it even allows you to select your preferred model. To achieve their top 3 score on swe-bench verified, they used GPT-5 High Reasoning as the primary model. But to get the top score on Terminal Bench, they used Claude Sonnet 4, Claude Opus 4, and a bit of Gemini 2.5 Pro. This flexibility, combined with its deep context awareness and native architecture, is what makes Warp feel more reliable and production-ready than anything else out there. So, to wrap up, Warp Code isn't just another terminal or an IDE. It's an agentic development environment that delivers a uniquely powerful and efficient workflow. With its top-tier benchmark performance, a unified interface that combines AI, coding, and the CLI, and a level of context awareness that other tools can't match. It's a serious tool for augmenting professional developers. You can check it out for a super low cost for the first month by using my coupon code CODEKING. It's really an awesome deal. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.